Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. Time to take a look at the weather outlook. It is 6:50 on the 19th. We are looking at model data because it's very consistent of what's been going on. We haven't had much difference. High pressure is locked into the location with very cold air in the teens overnight. The issue is tomorrow we have a clipper system that's going to reshoot this cold air in. And we may see a coating to an inch of snow here in Roanoke and areas such as Blacksburg, Lynchburg, back to West Virginia. So that's an area that we're just going to have an initial shot of just snowfall. Then we move into the big day, which is Friday. Snow starts, moves north. Roanoke will be in it. See the low pressure system back in the Alabama, Mississippi area. This is going to transfer its energy, and it's going to get interesting fast. We're talking about a good amount of snow. And this snow starts picking up in intensity as every 6 hours. We're just looking at consistent snow. This is the GFS model, but everything's going to the coastline. So what happens is this thing bombs out. So you're going to get the heavy snow banding. I think this is a little underdone right here in Roanoke. But probably a snow band here from southern Jersey back towards Roanoke. And this is going to be a 983, so it's going to have bombogenesis occurring. Big issue also, high tide along the coastline. We are actually looking at a full moon that's going to help push water high, comparable of even tropical systems with this nor'easter after this thing bombs out. And it just continues, a continuation of snowfall. New Jersey back down. You can even see that New York City's in the mix here. And then we start spreading a little further north. D.C. and Baltimore in it. Also Boston. Still is Roanoke. This is a long duration event. This is not a short event. When we look at the European model, it's very comparable to where it's located at. It may bomb out off Carolina coasts and Virginia coast, which actually would increase the snowfall totals. It is actually very crazy what this is doing, and it's definitely set up for snow. So, a foot plus is likely in a lot of areas. NAM model, still having the same idea, pushing. This is precipitation, heavy precipitation. Going to be snow. So, that being said, that little red area is the area going to be with the most snowfall, likely in this storm. We have the models all agreeing on that. It's something that doesn't happen very often, and it makes it very confident. Initially, for Roanoke, I'm saying 7 to 14. I think those numbers will go up because if the computer models keep up, I'm going to definitely be raising my numbers, and a real solid number will come out tomorrow from live weather blogs and the weather pros, so keep an eye on that. Non-perishable food items, toilet paper, snow shovel, enough food for a week in case of power loss. Also, be prepared for flooding down Delaware, Maryland, New Jersey, up through the Cape. A lot of water, especially with the high tide being on a high tide going to happen on a full moon, so be very careful. Thank you for watching. We'll have an update again tomorrow. Meteorologist Dean Davison, prepare now for a major, significant snowstorm on the East Coast. Have a great one.